like a mountain of like food shopping that we did this morning. Anyway, glass. Hungry Jack's had 2 for $6. That's a fucking bargain, but I only want to drink one today because coffee just keeps me awake. Even more than I'm already kept awake if I drink too much. So, got 2. Leave the ice in, take it out, do whatever the fuck you want. But we're just going to save this bad boy for tomorrow. And then that's a fucking bargain. That's like $3 each. Get all that good stuff at the bottom. Alright, try and keep the ice out because otherwise it won't all fit in here. Or maybe it will. Oh my god. It's perfect! Alright, let's put the fucking lid on. Straw. Tomorrow's coffee. Follow me for more life hacks. See ya!